everyone. Today suspended yung mga classes kasi dahil sa mga ulan-ulan. Pero umaaraw konti pero wala yan. Uulan din lang. Nabuti na lang sinususpend din yung mga kids kasi kawawa din sila. Let's walk around Baguio City. Let's go. So maglalakad tayo going home. Back to Middle Quarry. Session na yan, session. Ay, Maharlika Livelihood Center. Diretso ka, ma'am. Okay everyone, if you need the best lawyer, there, go to that house. That's Attorney Eman Valdez. It's my friend here in Abanao. That's his office here in Abanao near Shell. This is Baguio City Hall. Look at this nice tree. Okay, we are now here, Legarda. Pauwi na tayo. Okay, so dito na tayo. Pauwi na ulit. Suspended ang mga klase ngayon. So thank you for watching everyone. This is Baguio City today. Pauwi na tayo. Take care. More blessings to all of us.